Good day, everyone. I am Mrs. Thelma and Dogelio, Master Teacher 1 of Tagaytay City Central School.
And I am Kimberly B. Mendez, Teacher 1 at Tagaytay City Central School.
The title of our study is Project Fit. It stands for Fun, Easy, and Enjoyable Technique, an intervention program to improve multiplication concept in Tagaytay City Central School. Learning multiplication begins with learning multiplication of numbers from 1 to 10, which provides the basis for learning multiplication of other larger numbers as well as other related mathematical operations. The primary purpose of this research is to improve the academic performance in mathematics of Grade 3 pupils of Tagaytay City Central School for the school year 2019-2020 through fun, easy, and enjoyable technique or fit to improve multiplication concept. The main purpose of this research, however, emphasize on learning trajectory formulated for multiplication of numbers from 1 to 10 using fun, easy, and enjoyable technique and its implementation in a classroom. These are the research questions. First, is there any significant difference between the pretest and posttest scores in mathematics of students under Grade 3-Maykusa who were subjected to Project Fit? Second, what is the achievement level of students under Grade 3-Maykusa after Project Fit was used? Scope and limitation. This study was conducted in Tagaytay City Central School. The respondents of the study will be the 30 pupils of Grade 3 Maykusa for school year 2019-2020.
Pre-experimental method of research was used to evaluate the result of the pretest and post-test during the teaching experiment. Written and oral test was given to measure the computational competence of students in multiplication of numbers from 1 to 10. Micro-teaching and teaching written tests will be given to measure the capability of students teaching the material. Data collections had obtained using video observations, tests, and field notes. Video observations was used to capture the activities done during the learning process. The videos was used to support the findings and allow the researcher to investigate what students did and how the activities went during the experiment, as well as to ensure the validity of the data. Researchers will convey what actually happened during the experiment. Micro-teaching tests, written and oral tests will be also be given. The following were the findings revealed in the implementation of action research, since the aim of the study was to determine the effectiveness of Project FIT as a strategy to enhance the math ability of students under Grade 3 Maykusa of Tagaytay City Central School. First, the pretest and post-test mean scores of the pupils. The figure 1 shows the percent increase of the pretest and the post-test. The graph reveals that there's a positive increase in the scores. It can be seen that from 21.3 mean of pretest, there's an increase of 14.5 in the post-test. Second, the comparison of the pretest and post-test mean scores of the pupils. the result of the t-test of difference between the pretest and posttest scores in multiplication. There is a statistically significant mean score gained from the pre-scores to post-scores. The value of t is 22.75 and the value of p is 0.001 and the result is significant at less than zero point 0.5. It can be deducted from the table that the obtained difference is 14.5 between the pretest scores and the post-test scores of the pupils in multiplication is significant as indicated by the t-value which is 22.75 with probability less than 0.5 level of significance. This means that the post-test mean score is significantly higher than the pre-test mean score. This implies that the pupils improve significantly in multiplication through the project fit. On the basis of findings obtained through the analysis of data gathered, the following conclusions were arrived at. First, there is a significant difference in the pretest and post-test scores in mathematics of Grade Three-Maykusa of Tagaytay City Central School in the school year 2019-2020. Second, field strategy was effective in improving the academic performance in mathematics of Grade Three-Maykusa of Tagaytay City Central School. Last, continuous evaluation of pupils' performance enable the teachers apply varied remediation techniques to help pupils improve their mathematical skills. Thank you so much for watching. Let's all remember that with the right technique, multiplication concept can be fun, easy, and enjoyable.